Introducing the Celestron Tabletop Tripod, a handy accessory for any NexStar SE or NexStar Evolution telescope owner. The full-height tripod included with your Evolution or SE telescope kit is great for everyday use, but it can be a hassle to pack when traveling. The full-height tripod weighs just over 13 pounds and folds down to 32 inches in its storage configuration. The tabletop tripod is about half the weight and only 1/3 the length, making it much easier to fit in the car or camper for road trips. The full-height tripod may also be too tall for some observers, like kids, to access the eyepiece easily. This tripod solves that issue. You can place it on any elevated flat surface at the right height for your group. The surface does not need to be perfectly level. The footprint of the tabletop tripod is only 17.5 inches by 16 inches. To use the tabletop tripod, find a surface that can hold this footprint, such as a picnic table or bench, a portable folding camp table, or a flat surface on your car, such as a tailgate of a pickup truck. Each foot of the tabletop tripod has about 1.5 inches of adjustability, and the built-in bubble level allows you to level your mount, even if your elevated surface is tilted. Though this tripod is small, its 1.5-inch diameter stainless steel legs and wide footprint make it extremely stable, even when using a scope as large as the Evolution 9¼ Just like your full-height tripod, the tabletop tripod has 3 captured screws on the underside of the mount plate, so you can securely lock your telescope in place. Since you can also use a table surface to store your accessories, the tabletop tripod does not have an accessory tray. It's just one less thing to keep track of in the field. The Celestron Tabletop Tripod is a perfect travel accessory for your NexStar SE or NexStar Evolution telescope. Get yours before your next road trip. Thanks for watching, and clear skies!